Did you know that just 1 tablespoon a day could naturally boost your kidney health and help reverse damage? Welcome to Timeless Cures. Kidney health is vital, yet so many people overlook the small, simple changes that can make a big difference. Whether you're managing kidney disease, want to protect your kidneys from future issues, or simply stay informed, you're in the right place. Today, we'll uncover 5 natural ways to support your kidneys, and I'll share a special basil tea recipe that could transform how you care for these hard-working organs. It's simple, science-backed, and easy to follow. Imagine feeling more energetic, improving your digestion, and supporting your body's natural detox process, all starting today. Your kidneys are incredible multitaskers. They filter toxins, regulate blood pressure, balance fluids, and even control hormones. But they face countless challenges from our modern diets, stress, and age-related wear and tear. The good news? With a little care, you can protect them, and even reverse damage naturally. Stick around because, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what steps to take to protect your kidneys, reduce reliance on medications, and improve your overall health. And don't miss the basil tea recipe. It's an ancient remedy that's incredibly easy to make and packed with benefits. So, if you're ready to give your kidneys the love they deserve, let's dive into the first. Your kidneys might be small, but they are mighty. These 2 bean-shaped organs sit quietly at the back of your abdomen, working tirelessly to keep your body balanced. But what exactly do they do? Kidneys act as your body's natural filtration system. Every day, they process about 50 gallons of blood, filtering out waste, toxins, and extra fluids. This waste is then turned into urine, helping your body stay clean and healthy. But that's just the start. Your kidneys also regulate your blood pressure by controlling the balance of salt and water in your body. They even produce hormones like erythropoietin, which helps your body make red blood cells. When your kidneys are healthy, everything runs smoothly. But when they're under stress, the effects ripple across your entire body. Symptoms like fatigue, swelling, trouble concentrating, or even high blood pressure could all point to struggling kidneys. Unfortunately, many people don't realize their kidneys are in trouble until significant damage has already occurred. So why do kidneys get overworked? The culprits are often high blood pressure, diabetes, excessive sodium intake, and chronic dehydration. Over time, these factors can strain your kidneys, reducing their efficiency and leading to complications like kidney disease. But here's the good news: you have the power to support your kidneys naturally. By making small, consistent changes to your lifestyle, you can relieve some of the burden on your kidneys and even reverse damage over time. In the next chapter, we'll dive into the first step you can take to naturally protect your kidneys, keeping your blood pressure in check. Trust me, this one change can make a world of difference. High blood pressure is one of the leading causes of kidney damage. When your blood pressure is too high, it forces your kidneys to work overtime. Over time, this extra strain can damage the tiny blood vessels in your kidneys, reducing their ability to filter toxins efficiently. The ideal blood pressure for kidney health is below 130/80, but many people struggle to maintain these numbers. Medications often help, but some can have side effects that further stress your kidneys. So, what can you do naturally? First, take control of your sodium intake. Sodium is found in salt and many processed foods. The American Heart Association recommends staying under 1,500 milligrams of sodium per day. That's less than a teaspoon. Start by reading food labels and cutting back on salty snacks and canned goods. Second, embrace foods rich in magnesium, like spinach, almonds, and avocados. Magnesium helps relax blood vessels, which can naturally lower blood pressure. If you're also managing diabetes or taking vitamin D supplements, magnesium becomes even more crucial. Finally, don't overlook the power of garlic. This humble kitchen staple is a natural blood pressure regulator. Studies have shown that garlic can lower blood pressure by a few points, reduce inflammation, and even improve cholesterol levels. Adding fresh garlic to your meals or taking garlic supplements is a simple way to support your kidneys. By managing your blood pressure through these natural methods, you're not just protecting your kidneys, you're supporting your heart, brain, and overall well-being. Up next, let's talk about a vitamin that's essential for your kidneys but often overlooked: vitamin D. Vitamin D is often called the kidney vitamin for a reason. This powerful nutrient plays a key role in regulating calcium levels, supporting bone health, and even improving kidney function. Yet, most people with kidney disease are deficient in vitamin D, up to 80%, according to research. Why is vitamin D so important for your kidneys? For starters, it helps reduce protein in your urine, a common sign of kidney stress. High protein levels in urine can indicate that your kidneys are struggling to filter properly. Studies have shown that even small doses of vitamin D can lower protein levels significantly. Getting enough vitamin D is trickier than it seems. While sunlight is a natural source, our skin becomes less efficient at producing vitamin D as we age. Factors like limited sun exposure, darker skin tones, and even sunscreen use can further reduce your vitamin D levels. So, how can you ensure you're getting enough? First, consider adding a vitamin D supplement to your routine. Look for options that include paracalcitol, a form of vitamin D shown to support kidney health specifically. Just 2 micrograms daily can make a noticeable difference. Second, incorporate vitamin D-rich foods into your diet. Fatty fish like salmon, fortified milk, and egg yolks are excellent sources. Remember, vitamin D works best when paired with magnesium, so make sure you're also including magnesium-rich foods or supplements in your routine. By boosting your vitamin D levels, you're not only protecting your kidneys but also enhancing your overall health. In the next chapter, we'll explore the role of diet in maintaining kidney function. Your diet is the foundation of kidney health. Think of it as the fuel that powers your body's natural healing processes. When you eat the right foods, you're giving your kidneys the support they need to thrive. One of the most important dietary changes for kidney health is limiting protein intake. While protein is essential for building muscles and repairing tissues, too much of it can strain your kidneys. Instead of consuming large amounts of red meat or high-protein shakes, focus on moderate portions of lean protein like fish, chicken, or plant-based options like lentils and tofu. Another crucial step is reducing processed sugar and high glycemic carbs. Foods like white bread, pastries, and sugary drinks can spike your blood sugar, leading to kidney stress, especially if you have diabetes. Opt for whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, which provide sustained energy without overloading your kidneys. Finally, consider adding kidney-friendly superfoods like blueberries, kale, and sweet potatoes. These foods are rich in antioxidants and low in potassium, making them ideal for supporting kidney health. But it's not just about what you eat, it's also about staying hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps your kidneys flush out toxins and prevents the formation of kidney stones. In the final chapter, I'll share a simple yet powerful recipe that combines ancient wisdom with modern science to support your kidneys. Now that you know the incredible benefits of basil tea, let's dive into the details of how much you can drink and how often you should take it for optimal kidney support. First, let's revisit the recipe for making this soothing and detoxifying tea. You'll need 1 cup of fresh basil leaves, or 1 tablespoon of dried basil if fresh isn't available. 2 cups of water. 1 teaspoon of honey, optional, for sweetness. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice, optional, for flavor and additional detox benefits. Steps to make basil tea. 1. Bring 2 cups of water to a boil in a small pot. 2. Reduce the heat to low and add the basil leaves. 3. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes, allowing the water to absorb all the goodness from the basil. 4. Strain the tea into a cup, removing the leaves. 5. Add a teaspoon of honey and a squeeze of lemon juice for added taste and benefits. 6. Let it cool slightly before enjoying. How much and how often? For general kidney health and maintenance, drink 1 to 2 cups of basil tea daily, 3 times a week. You can take it in the morning to kickstart your day or in the evening as a calming drink to end your day. For those looking to detox or support kidney function, you can drink up to 3 cups daily, spaced out throughout the day, morning, afternoon, and evening. Important tips. Make sure to stay hydrated throughout the day by drinking plenty of water alongside your tea. Avoid consuming more than 3 cups of basil tea daily, as excessive intake could strain your system. With consistent use, this simple yet powerful tea can help your kidneys function better, reduce toxins, and support overall health naturally. Always listen to your body and adjust your intake as needed. If you're on medication or managing a condition, consult with a healthcare provider before adding this to your routine. Your kidneys work tirelessly to keep you healthy, now it's your turn to return the favor. By managing your blood pressure, boosting vitamin D levels, adopting a kidney-friendly diet, and enjoying natural remedies like basil tea, you can take control of your kidney health naturally. Remember, small steps lead to big changes. Start with just one of these tips and build from there. Your kidneys, and your whole body, will thank you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with anyone who might benefit. Together, we can spread the message of natural health and wellness. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.